Mendelism. See children, he is the Mendel scientist, Gregor Mendel. He did experiments on pea plants. So he was called father of genetics. His contribution of Mendel to genetics called Mendelism. Mendel is the father of genetics. Now, Mendel born in 1822. Gregor Mendel was monk who taught high school and worked in the Montessori garden. In fact, he loved plants so much that he spent most of his adult life studying how certain strains were passed from the parent plant to baby plant. So he did experiments on own pea plant. So basically, the Mendel experiments on only pea plant. Based on the experiments, Mendel explains Mendel laws. The Mendel laws are explain about the law of segregation, law of independent assortment, and law of dominance. These are the three Mendel laws. From these three Mendel laws, law of dominance is the normal law of genetics. Finally, the Mendel laws are only two. They are law of segregation and law of independent assortment. So he selected only pea plant. He selected only pea plant and he did experiments on only pea plant. The pea plant mainly selected by the Mendels. Some reasons are here why he selected the pea plant. The flowers of pea plants normally self-fertilized. The pea plant shows a number of clear-cut contrasting characters. The hybrid of garden pea are perfectly fertile. Cross-pollination is not very difficult in pea plants. Artificial fertilization is almost very successful in always. The genes of 7 pairs of characters are located on the 7 separated homologous pairs of chromosomes. Many pure breeding varieties are available for the experiments. It's very easy to cultivate the pea plants in open garden. They have short growth of period and short life cycle. And he studied inheritance of characters at a time. More number of inherited characters are at a time. And he maintained tautological characters and records. He helped Mendel the numerical relations of significations. So based on these Mendel laws, the Mendel experiments on plant breeding process of the offsprings were essentially dilution of the different parental characteristics, and the Mendel selected 7 opposite characters. The 7 opposite characters based on the 7 pairs of genes, homologous genes. Here it is the first row are the dominant characters of pea plants, and second row of the recessive characters of the pea plant. Recessive characters of the pea plant. So first we discussed what are the opposite characters in the pea plant, what are the dominant characters, what are the recessive characters in the pea plant. First, seed shape. The seed shape is the spherical, means oral. or wrinkled or dented. Spherical is the dominant character, dented is the recessive character of pea plant. And seed color yellow is the dominant, green is the recessive character. Flower color purple is dominant, white is recessive. And pod shape inflated is the dominant, constricted is the recessive character. Pod color green color is the dominant and yellow color is recessive. And the flower position oxile is the dominant, terminal is the recessive position. And stem height tall is the dominant and dwarf is the recessive position. Mendel selected only pea plant. The pea plant contains only 7 pairs of genes, homologous genes. The 7 pairs of homologous genes express these 7 pairs of characters. They are seed shape, seed color, flower color, pod shape, pod color, flower position, and stem height. These are the 7 characters expressed by the 7 pairs of homologous chromosomes. They are present on the pea plant, Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum. The Mendel selected pea plant scientific name is Pisum sativum. It is the sweet pea.